Hi, it's Eric again with New Wire Marine, and we have just received our trim tab system. So the boat, the Rising Triton boat that we purchased did not have any trim tabs, so we called our friends at LectroTab. And they were awesome, taking the size of the boat. They had to take a couple of measurements and specified this system. So let's take a look at it. All right, so in the box, we've got a couple of instruction manuals, 2 of the linear actuators. These are electric trim tabs, and this was the length and that they said would be needed on this little 17-foot boat. We've got 2 of those, and we've got a bunch of stainless screws here. I guess that must be what's going to attach it to the pole. Check that out when we're installing it. Here are the plates. Now, for our boat, they specified a 9 inch by 9 inch plate. They're stainless steel plates, and one thing that we really liked about these was that the metal is bent. There's no screws down here with a piano hinge, which you'll see on some other trim tabs. These are actual bent stainless and with a hinge pin inserted into it. It looks like there's some detents here to keep the hinge pin in. And let's see, it's got the coating on it. I'll just take this off, take a look at it. Oh yeah, it looks great. That protects it in shipping so it doesn't get scratched up. I guess that's very cool. And it looks like this is where the actuator must mount to the plate, and then this will mount to the hole. Yeah, this has got to be the screws that screw this into the hole. So very cool. So we've got two actuators, 2 plates. And all right, now something else I'm excited to show you is their touchpad. So here is the touchpad that came with that we got with it. It is their one-touch leveling control, and what is pretty cool about this is got an all up and all down button that immediately retracts your entire trim tab. So if you're coming up the beach or about to put it on the lift or trailer, then you can just press them. Or if you're really trying to get up, out of the hole, then you can press all down or individually control them. There's also LED indicator lights across either side. I'm guessing that's a power light there. On the back of it, it looks like there is a instruction sheet with two sides. So it looks like one is wiring for long wire actuators, and one is wiring for interconnect cables. We'll have to figure out which one we have there. Not 100% sure, but there's a different wiring diagram. This is black, white, and black, red, green, white. So it may be, it looks like it can be used for other trim tab actuator manufacturers. And I like on the back, this is pretty nice. It's got little studs for mounting, hold it in nice, although we're going to recess this into the dash so it'll be really, really secure. And I think this matte finish will really blend in well with our Lux Matte dash panel. But on the back, it looks like it's mostly quick connect connections. That should be really easy to strip the end of this wire and crimp on a couple quick connects and push them right on where they need to be, positive, negative, and 2 outputs to each tab. That should reverse polarity to the motor, spinning it one way and the reverse way to raise and lower the tabs. If you're interested in learning more about that, we have a dedicated video all about reversing polarity that we'll link to in the description.